Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a video to GIF timeline based editor, video editor directly in the browser using React.js. We are running this application locally. So with the help of this you will be able to create a GIF animation from videos. So it's an all-in-one full stack editor. This is actually coded directly inside React.js. You will see each and every component is coded directly inside TypeScript. It's a fully fledged project. If you need the source code, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. And if I show you the package.json file, we are using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. And we are using the latest version of React here, which is 18. So we are running this project on locally by npm run dev. So this has started the local development server. So if I show you the actual demo of the application, so right here you will select any MP4 video that you want to create GIF animation. So once you select the video will play inside the video player. You will actually see the information related to the video. And then you see this nice little timeline based video editor with the help of which you will be able to actually cut any certain part of the video. So So now if you want to create the GIF here, you selected the starting time and then how much duration. So here you can control all these options such as the quality of the GIF animations, such as FPS, medium, quality preset. You can control performance mode. You can even have faster performance with multi-threaded. And then you click the convert to GIF button. So it will actually load the FFmpeg WebAssembly library directly, and also it will show you this nice little progress bar, and it will exactly tell you how much time is remaining. So once it completes, it actually creates your GIF file and downloads it automatically. So this is actually the overall project here. You will see each and every file is coded directly in TypeScript, so it's fully customizable. So once you purchase a source code, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive. So once it completes, you will see the GIF animation. You can now click the download GIF button. So it has automatically created this GIF here. You will see that. So if you click download, you will see automatically it will download this. So in this easy way, it's an all-in-one full stack editor that I developed directly in React.js. So it's actually using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. So if you don't know about this, FFmpeg WebAssembly is actually a library which allows you to directly use FFmpeg library, which is actually a command based library to directly execute this in the browser. So we are actually using this inside our React.js project. So it's an all-in-one project. You can change to any video. From here you drag and drop whatever video file you're working with. As you select the video file, this actually construct this timeline based editor. Then you specify how much duration you want to. The starting duration here, it's a timeline based editor. And here you can also change the quality here as well. FPS, everything you can control. And then automatically. So it has all the options here. It also has dark mode as well. So it actually looks good on desktop, tablet, mobile. So it's a fully responsive application. So it has all the options. You can directly purchase it. It's actually coded directly inside React.js and it's using FFMPEG WebAssembly library. So it's fully customizable. So you will be able to have full control. So it's a fully fledged full stack project, video to GIF converter. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description.